Ka sorkar jelah negasi kena bentip bagi Jingtwa Jong ke Kynroh Jong ke PA Stadium kedai nak kedau Jong ke Jingsahkut Jong kena layat Haba jingkran hadian meladak penlong yak review meeting Menteri Rengba ke jelah konrad ke sangma ula ong bagat kum ke kaipot kelanti Jong kena ke badan hak ke stadium ke bapenmi yak sebar ke Jingsahkut. Hak jingelang Menteri Rengba ula yo yak ke kaipot balapan krek daki engineer bagi kontraktor hadian meladap ban kemi bniak ya kini ke Jingtwa.
The retaining wall in the preliminary report that has been given to us, the specifications are as per the drawings and the entire details that have been put in, and the retaining wall has been made as per the specifications. So there is nothing wrong in the construction part. All the quality measures and all the specifications have been adhered to. And as I said, it is only because of the drainage and the leakage of the water that part was affected. But necessary measures have been taken to ensure that we stop any kind of further damage in that area.
Ka Center for Science